Alright guys, you're welcome to our channel. We're live in the city of Asaba. Yes, we just arrived at Asaba from Owerri. As you can see, we are coming from the Domiciliary Road into Asaba. If you are new to our channel, you are welcome to our link TV. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Also turn on your notification bell so you always know we upload new videos. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We do appreciate your love for the channel. For returning subscribers, thank you very much. We appreciate you, and do well to give us your thoughts in the comment section at the end of this video, and also do well to like and share this video as well. Yes, for some who have not visited Asaba, this is a popular coca junction. This is the flyover that was constructed at the tail end of the Governor Kowa's administration, and was also commissioned before he left office. You know, it was in use before he left, few weeks before he left anyway. So minor works are still being done along the bridge end and all of that. So this is the bridge, looking beautiful, looking spacious, and it's really created a lot of space for this axis. You know, there's usually serious traffic around the coca axis that they even have to be blocking a lot of turns. You have to go a distance to turn to just avoid the traffic within this axis. But since the flyover was completed, I think the traffic around here is a little bit free. You know, it's really bit free, because those coming from Onitsha to Benin just use the top of the flyover straight up, and those of us coming from Owerri have to follow the down, and those going into Asaba follow the down. You know, just like that. Depends on where you're also going to in Asaba. So you can choose to follow the top or follow the down. So, but we choose to follow the down and take it down to a little bit to Summit, and before we get into Okpanam Road and Nnebisi Road proper. So we just say let's start the journey from where more or less like a popular junction in the city. So I will mention again, if you have not visited Asaba before, that is the popular coca flyover that we just passed. So this is Benin Agbor Road from Asaba now. So we're taking it down to Summit Junction, which is another popular junction in Asaba. You know, you can't mention junctions in Asaba without mentioning coca and Summit. You know, these are the two junctions where you can easily get bus to anywhere you are going to, basically. So if you can't get in Summit, you definitely get in coca. So those two junctions are very strategic as far as Asaba is concerned. So this is Summit, and they have this pedestrian here, which is hardly in use by the people. I don't know why. So everybody still seems to jump and cross the road. So we take a turn into Asaba area. So this road leads you, I can take you straight to Awan, take you straight to the Awan campus of the Delta State University. I think it has been converted now to another university. Also can also lead you out of Delta State to Edo State. I think going to Epoma Auchi. So this road can also take you there. But their ShopRite also is along this path. So looking beautiful and looking green as well. All the trees that was planted time ago, all of them are all grown up in the city, and it's looking quite beautiful. One thing I must commend the city for is that it's looking really clean. So I just stopped by to check something, and trying to get an hotel to stay, basically. So I had to stop. I didn't want to video the street. I wanted to video the major roads for you guys to see before we go to Okpanam Road and Nnebisi Road. So we continued on this part. I think the town is becoming very serene. Like I said before, it's really looking clean. I think the cleaners are really doing a great job now in Asaba. I think this is about 1 or 2 p.m. I made this video, so it's really looking clean, and the traffic light also working. I think that traffic light has always been working. The only thing I observe is that those traffic controllers and traffic offenders, this thing, they are not there. I don't know why. They are usually stationed around there. I don't know if it's the new administration. And driving into Asaba now, these few drive have done, I'm not really observing them. I don't know, maybe it's the new administration. Like, you know, the state has a new administration now, so we hope that things will be far better than what it was before. And anticipate our video and on Owerri and all of that. So we'll bring you some latest updates, and the drive from Asaba to Owerri, so we're bringing it live to you. So this is a flyover leading to I-1 axis. And if you must have heard about the film village in Asaba, so this is still the road that leads you to the film village in Asaba. So quite an awesome place, a lot of activities, a lot of games to play in the film village. So taking it slow and steady at the bumps. So let's take you down now to Nnebisi Road and see how it looks like and what has changed. Is this still as neat as this summit area we are coming from? Let's go check it out and see. So if you are still seeing our video and you are not yet a subscriber, please do well to click the subscribe button to join our big family. And for returning subscribers, thank you very much. And do not forget to give us your thoughts in the comment section. Let us know what you think of this city. And if you are based here, also do rep your location in the comment section. Tell us where you are based. And since I've been coming to Asaba, I think I've just been eating only in one place, because whenever I travel, I seem to enjoy local foods a lot, so I don't do much of foreign food, so to say. I do a lot of local food when I travel because I want to experience every culture and every tribe. So trust me on banga and starch always as I visit states like Delta State. So Nnebisi Road looking very clean and sharp. Yeah, as you can see, I can really see dirt on the road, so which is quite impressive. It's really looking clean. I don't know. I know Asaba is always clean, but was really looking clean. And one thing I must commend Asaba for as a capital city is that literally all the streets in Asaba are tied. That was one thing I must commend the previous administration for. They really did a great job in regards to road construction in Asaba. Quite an awesome work they did. All the streets, good roads in Asaba. Asaba actually have good roads, I must say. They have quite a good road. So, still taking it down, the building you are seeing to our left is one of the structures in FMC, the Federal Medical Center in Asaba. And another thing again about the city is that the keke is something else. They're like bees on the road. You have to be careful with them. If not, one little mistake, your car is crashed. So we have to go slow and steady to follow them. So that is it. So if you are based in Asaba, let me know. What do you think of the city? If you are not from Asaba or from Delta State and you are based here, so how is the city treating you? What's the experience like to you? So would you recommend the city to be a city that people should come and stay and live and they are going to enjoy themselves? So let us know. And also, we are open for your video recommendations, so tell us where you would like to see in our trips, or if you have any strategic thing within your axis you would like us to capture or video, also do let us know in the comment section. We are more than open for such recommendations. So let's keep it going in Nnebisi Road. It's looking very, very, very sharp. And I also love staying around this axis whenever I visit Asaba, because it's easier for me to navigate the town. From Nnebisi Road, you just take a little drive. You're in ShopRite. Before you take a little drive, you just experience Okpanam Road. Around the ShopRite axis, there are a lot of activities at night around that axis. So most of the times I enjoy Nnebisi Road. So if you have other hotel recommendation for me, I know Okpanam Road used to have lots of hotel, but I don't know, I feel it's a little bit far from where I can just sit down and just observe the city in total at night. So sometimes I don't really enjoy going that far. So Nnebisi Road has always been the place for me whenever I'm in Asaba. So that is it for Nnebisi Road, guys. I believe you enjoy the drive in Nnebisi Road, and nothing much has changed. Basically, the only difference I think I'm seeing is that the city is really looking clean and looking green. So the trees are all grown up, and it's making the city looks very, 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 very calm. Despite the fact it's raining season, though it's not raining today, but the city just seems very, very, very calm, and that's enjoyable. And also, I would love to also get the viewers, especially for those who are resident here. What's the state of housing? Rumors here and there that houses are very expensive in Asaba. Houses are very expensive. Foods are very expensive in Asaba. But I think I can concur to the food, because where I do eat, I think they've increased their price almost by, I would say, 70%. I know the inflation rate in the country is quite high, but that leap in price is quite high. So by 70%, I think I last visited Asaba about two months ago before now. So I think that leap is quite high. So this is the flyover leading to R1. So we are going to Okpanam Road now to see a little bit of that axis. So we just pass that police people. They are always there even at night they are always stationed around that place. So to our left is ShopRite. You won't really have a good view because of the camera position, but to our left is the ShopRite in Asaba, just by the flyover, and a lot of sitter spots by our right for you to chill and enjoy at night if you're in the city of Asaba. So I think I've experienced a couple of them in the city, and I think there are a lot more down this Okpanam Road actually. So let's keep driving down to see. As you can see, there are little trees already planted around this Okpanam Road now. I believe in the next 1 year time you'll be amazed at how beautiful these trees are going to just make this road looks, so the trees are gradually growing up, and for that's one thing I enjoy about Calabar a lot, and the governors are really doing quite well in terms of trimming the trees and ensuring it does not cause havoc during rainy season. They just keep it clean at all times, so it just makes the city looks a little bit very, very, very calm. So I think I commend Delta State people for this tree planting they are doing along the roadside. It makes the city a little bit calmer and cool. Yeah, this road has been open 2 months ago. When I came, it was still being barricaded by the police. We have to go on one way, but now it's open. Quite interesting to see. I don't know what must have led to it. Probably the new administration, and we are giving a vote of confidence to the new administration to do better than what Governor Okowa has done. Let's hope that they will make the city grow better, so let's just anticipate that. If you're still seeing the video and you are not yet a subscriber, we are begging, do well to click the subscribe button. Please turn on the notification bell so you always get to know when new videos pop up in our channel. And for our returning subscribers, we do appreciate you for always being there, and do well to give us your sincere thought about this video in the comment section. Let us know what you think of Asaba in general. We are open to receive all of that in our comment section. So we've really gone down Okpanam Road, and I think we have covered quite a lot in the city. So we are hoping to receive your thought, receive your view, and receive your recommendation in regards to this video. We'll catch you in our next one. Bye.